Introducing the skin imaging system from MedX, the MoleMate Cystoscopy. Inside the box, you will find accessories and software, cradle, the B-scan hand unit, and your skin matching fluid. Inside your accessories box, you will find your USB connection cable, the software card with the USB plug-in, the Sentinel and license key via USB, lens cleaning wipe, clinical reference guide, and your operating guide. Once you've installed the software on your PC, to begin operation of the device, simply plug in the USB cable connection to the unit and your USB socket into the computer.
If you have any further queries, please contact the Zone Medical office.